Good afternoon. Welcome to the illegal garage. We're gonna start another project on the FFR Cobra. We're gonna install the Quik-latch QR50s hood latches. We're not gonna put the original style latches that come with the kit. I wanted a more modern look, so I choose the brushed aluminum quick latches. So I'm gonna do one side first. I'm just gonna install it wherever I feel like it looks better, and then when I get that one done, I'll just try to mirror the other side so they look symmetrical. What I started first was marking the middle of the hood, and then just go in this direction and try to center it right in this area. I don't want to cut this ridge, so I'm gonna try to put it right there. Hopefully I don't find anything weird on that area. So we'll start. I'm gonna use this 138 Holsa. It's a little bit smaller than I need, but I'd rather go small and then just cut if I need to cut a little bit instead of just going too big, and then it's gonna be harder to cover the hole. So I'm gonna stop the video here and start drilling the hole. By the way, say hi to Clementine, the illegal garage shop dog. Of course, she's a Chihuahua. Okay, this is the nerve-wracking part. There's no going back after this. I'm gonna make sure it's center in the middle. It's pretty good. We went to the first layer of the hood. Now we're gonna go to the second layer. And there it is. Perfect. Okay. There it is. Got to put a quick latch, and it's not filling up, but that's okay. I'm just gonna go around it. You'll need a little bit more grinding. And that's it. That's how it's gonna look, folks. Just gotta do the other side. Try to make it in the same place. So I'm gonna stop it here. I'm gonna do the other side, and then we'll see how it looks on the car. Be right back. Hi, Clement. Well, there it is. Got both of them done. They look pretty symmetrical to each other. See, this is how the quick latch works. Right now, the button is not pressed. I got the pin in the bottom. So when I press the button, it releases the pin. This is how it looks when it's open. Now I'm just gonna mix some fiberglass resin, and I'm gonna fill this area because I don't want these two layers flexing when I put the quick latch in there. So I'm just gonna reinforce this area with some kind of resin, fill it up so it's stronger, because the quick latch gets a knot in the bottom and it's gonna press and it's gonna look distorted when I tight the quick latch underneath with the knot. It's gonna start pressing on the layers. So we'll see how that turns out, and then we'll see how it looks on the car. You okay, Clement? Here it is. I feel the gap between the two layers of fiberglass on the hood. That is just tape to keep it in place, with some fiberglass resin and some fiberglass strands. So now the quick latch, I'm not gonna crush the two parts of the hood. Well, and there it is. Two Quik-latch QR50s on my Shelby Cobra. I still need to do the hinges, but it's getting there. Well, thank you guys. If you like this video, thank you. This is the Illegal Garage.
Make sure you subscribe, like this video, comment down below, give me a huge thumbs up, give me 2,000 likes to the Legal Garage.